All right, the next one, I go through GCF. Sometimes I write GCF, sometimes I don't. Sorry about that, but I definitely think about it every single time, so you should too. GCF. All right, 24, 14, and 24. Well, those definitely have a GCF of 24, but 14. Okay, so what is common between 24 and 14? All right, if you're not sure, you can factor out 24 and 14. So, well, let's see that 14 is 7 times 2, right? It's also 14 times 1, but that's not going to help. And then 24 is what? 2 times 12, which is 3 times 4, which is 2 times 2. So, but the most they have in common, because this is a 7, so the most they have in common is 2. Right? Okay, so I'm going to take out a 2. And then also, they all have, don't forget about your letters, that's what I was talking about before. So, take out an M. All right. Now, generally when you do your GCF, so I know part of my answer is going to have a 2M in front of it, and then other stuff. Okay, so now I'm just going to factor that out and forget about it because I wrote it in my answer box. Okay? All right, so 12M squared, see, minus 7M minus 12. Don't put an M on the end, okay? M over M cancels, and you just get a 12. All right. Now I'm ready to factor this. Just forget about the GCF and this original problem and just focus on this one now because you already handled the GCF. Okay? All right, so I'm going to say this is a 3 terms. And A is not equal to 1. So I'm going to do that AC thing, right, that I did before. So blank times blank equals negative 144. Blank plus blank equals negative 7. I don't know that, so I'm going to have to write it out. 1 and 144. 2 and what? That's 50, 60, 74. 72, I mean. 50, 60, 70, 70, yeah, 72. No. 3, which, you know, you can use a calculator too, which I think I might for this one. Let me grab my calculator. I can't really see it. There we go. 144 divided by 3 is 3 and 48. Okay. 4, and then that would be, so that's 35, 36. No. 5 does not go into 144. 6 does, though. 6, and then 6 times 4 is 24. All right. Let me just double check that. I would hate to be wrong on that. 144 divided by 6. Yes, it is. Okay. 7. Nope, it does not. Okay, I just like to double check that one. 8 does. Okay. Is 8 and 18. 144 divided by 9. It doesn't. 9 and 16. And that's it. 9 and 16. Found it. So every time what I'm doing in my head is I'm like adding and subtracting these and seeing if I could get 7. And 16 minus 9 is actually 7. So I just got to fix it to get a negative 7. So how would I do that? Well, if 16 minus 9 is 7, then 9 minus 16 is negative 7. So I'm just going to do 9 minus 16. And that gives me negative 144 and a negative 7. Okay? All right, so now I do the, what's next? see? And then I write ax squared plus blank x plus c, and then put them in a box, okay? So now remember, it's not this. This is not what we're doing anymore. It's this, okay? All right. So then that's 12m squared plus 9m, see, I'm rewriting b, minus 16m minus 12, see? Ax squared plus blank x plus c. Now put them in a box. Which, you know, you should make a rectangle because they're usually wider. All right, so then that's 12m squared, 9m, negative 16m, and negative 12. All right. Now, and it doesn't matter which way you fill this out. I just like to fill them out vertically, and then it kind of follows the rule of these are both going to be m's, and these are going to both be constants. Okay. But it'll work out as long as you're careful with your GCF. Okay, so 4 goes into both 16 and 12. It might take you a little while, and that's okay. All right. And then to figure them out, you shouldn't be as fast as me at figuring them out. Okay. And then now between 16 and 12 again is 4, but now they both have an m. And that will make 16, but not negative 16. So I'll figure that out in a minute, though. All right, 3m will give me that. So this is probably going to be the negative one, because that would make negative 16. And normally, like I said, the leading ones aren't negative. All right, and then here, that's going to be a 9 and a 12 is 3. And that does make negative 12 now. Okay. Let's check. 3 times 4, yeah, m squared. 3 is 9m, negative 16m, negative 12, yep. So then I leave my 2m, that's for my GCF. And then 3m minus 4, and 4m plus 3. And it doesn't matter which one you put first, the side one or the top one. I kind of switch back and forth, I think, actually. So, okay.